My name is Daniel. I'll be talking about risk taking and accidents amongst teens. Teenagers are known for taking more risk than any other age group. This can include speeding, experimenting with alcohol or substances, or giving in to social pressure. These choices are not random. Psychology shows that risk taking is part of brain development and also shaped by culture. During the teenage years, the part of the brain called the prefrontal cortex is still developing. This area controls judgment and impulse. Because it is not fully mature, teens often act before they think. This can make them more likely to engage in risky behaviors without considering short-term or long-term consequences. At the same time, teens are trying to form their identity, which means like risk-taking might feel exciting or necessary, and then that could depend, if they're by themselves or with their friends or family. In my reading from Stephen Hines' Culture Psychology, I learned that culture strongly shapes how teens view risk. In individualistic cultures like the United States or Canada, independence and self-expression are important. It's freedom, and teens may take risks to prove confidence or this freedom. And then collectivist cultures like Japan or China, family and harmony, community come first. And teens in these cultures, they're more careful because they don't want to disappoint others or bring shame to their family because that's what their culture surrounds their morals and standards around and how they have to be strict. These cultural differences affect accident rates around the world. Western countries have higher rates of car crashes and alcohol related injuries amongst teens. In contrast, many Asian countries have fewer physical accidents but more emotional stress linked to pressure for academic success, for example. This shows that culture changes the kind of risk teens take rather than removing risk taking altogether. Next slide. So, understanding that these patterns can help psychologists create better prevention programs and collectivist societies, community education and shared responsibility may work best. In individualistic societies, programs that focus on personal responsibility and self-awareness are more effective. To conclude, risk-taking in teens is influenced by both biology and culture. By understanding these cultural differences, we can create safer and more supportive environments for young people everywhere for this generation and the future generations to come. Thank you for listening.